Imagine a world where every road leads to comfort, every corner glows with gold, and luxury travels right beside you. Welcome to the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome, a true palace on wheels, crafted to transform every journey into a royal adventure. Step inside and elegance embraces you instantly. The floor gleams with white marble laced with golden patterns, softly illuminated by warm ambient lights. The walls shimmer in champagne hues, creating an atmosphere of calm richness. Plush white sofas, gold-accented side tables, and a gentle golden glow make this space feel less like a motorhome and more like a five-star private suite. The bedroom is pure serenity. A floating king-sized bed rests at the center, wrapped in soft white leather, surrounded by subtle golden lights. Above, a ceiling sprinkled with tiny star-like lights creates a dreamy nightscape, while the panoramic window welcomes the morning sun, bathing everything in warm, golden tones. It's peaceful, intimate, and designed for complete relaxation. In the bathroom, luxury continues its reign. White marble tiles trimmed with gold, a rainfall shower, and a gold-framed mirror bring a spa-like elegance to every moment. Every texture, reflection, and detail adds to its majestic charm. The kitchen blends style and innovation. Matte white cabinets with gold handles, marble countertops, and built-in appliances including a wine cooler and glass dining table, combining modern sophistication with everyday practicality. At the front, the lounge and cockpit merge comfort and technology seamlessly. Reclining seats, a fully digital dashboard, and ambient golden lighting ensure every drive is as smooth as silk and as silent as luxury itself. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome isn't merely transportation. It's a symbol of taste, grandeur, and ultimate comfort, redefining what it means to travel in style.